start the chapter 7 revision, understanding the fraction. So here identify the proper fraction for the following. Here the proper fraction, which are the proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here which are the proper fraction? So 4 by 7 is the proper, 3 by 7, 13 by 7 no, 5 by 9 is the proper fraction. So here whichever I have ticked, all the numerators are less than a denominator. So which of the following are a improper fraction? Improper means the numerator should be greater than a denominator. Here 8 by 3 is the improper fraction, and again 8 by 3 is the improper fraction. So both 8 by 3. Here identify the like fraction from the following. So we have to identify the like fraction. Here in the denominator the number should be the same. So here we have a 12, here also we have a 12. So 5 by 12 and 1 by 12. So which of the following are unit fractions? So 1 by 7 and 1 by 8. Unit fraction means the numerator is 1. If I divide a sheet of a paper into 8 equal parts and color 5 parts. So here in the sheet of a paper we have to divide it into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have divided into 8 equal parts and color 5 parts. So here we have to color the 5 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have colored the 5 parts. So what fraction is not color? What fraction is colored? So here the out of 8, 5 are the colored and 3 are not colored. So here colored part are colored part equals 5 by 8 and a not colored equals, so colored part is 5 by 8 and not colored is 3 by 8. Here the exercise 7.1, find the following. A bit is 5 by 6 of 24. Here 5 by 6 into 24. So 6 ones are 6, 6, 6 fours are 24. So equals 5 fours are 20. Next 4 by 10 into 60. This 0, 0 cut, 6 fours are 24. So solve the following here. So A bit is Meera 8 3/4. Here Meera ate 3 by 4 of 12 biscuits that her mother gave. How many biscuits did she eat? How many biscuits were left? So out of 3 by 4 of 12 biscuits, say how many she ate and how many are left. So here Meera ate 3/4 of 12 biscuits. Next, divide the whole numbers of the denominator. Here, how to do this one? 3 by 4 into 12. Here, 4 ones are 4, 4 to that 4 threes are 12. Now 3 threes are 9. 3 into 3. So its answer is 9. So she ate 9 biscuits. So out of 12 she ate 9 biscuits. So here 12 minus 9 is remaining 3 biscuits. So number of biscuit left equals 3. So write down here, she ate 9 biscuits and biscuit left equals 12 minus 9 equals, it's a 3. So 3 biscuits are left. Now the B bit is, what is the B bit? Anita ate 15 dresses and 3/5 of the dresses are blue. How many blue dresses does Anita have? So here 15 dress, she has 15 dresses. 3 by 5 of her dresses are blue. So here B bit, Anita has 15 dresses and fraction of the dresses which are blue equals 3 by 5 here 3 by 5 into 15. 5 1 the 5, 5 3 the 15. So again 9. So Anita has 9 blue dresses. Here look at the colored part and fill the blanks. So colored parts are 1, 2, 1, 2 are filled here. It's a 2 by 3. So total parts is 1, 2, 3. Colored part is 2. So 2 by 3. Here total parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the colored part is 4. So here 4 by 6. Next here 2 parts are there. 1, 2. So in the denominator should be the 2 and the numerator colored part. Colored part is 1. So here 1. So here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the denominator it should be 4 and the colored parts are 2, 1, 2. So in the numerator it should be 2, 2 by 4. You find an equivalent fraction of the following by multiplication. A bit is 4 by 5. So here we have to find out the equivalent fraction of this 4 by 5. Here 4 by 5 equivalent fraction is if we multiply the numerator and denominator with a 2. So we will get an equivalent fraction of a 4 by 5. So write down here we multiply the numerator and denominator of 4 by 5 by 2. Here 4 by 5 equals 4 by 5 multiply with a 2. Here 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So if we cut here 4 2s are 8 and 5. Sorry here. So here 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So 8 by 10 is the equivalent to the 4 by 5. So hence 8 by 10 is an equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. 8 by 10 is equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. The next digit is 3 by 7. So we have to find out the equivalent fraction of a 3 by 7. We multiply the numerator and denominator of 3 by 7 by 2. Here 3 by 7 equals 3 by 7 into 2. So here 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. So hence so 6 by 14 is an equivalent fraction by 7. Next 1 by 4. So here multiply with a 2. Here 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. So here hence 2 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. Next 9 by 11. So 9 into 2, 11 into 2, 18 by 22. So hence 18 by 22 is an equivalent fraction of 9 by 11. Here find an equivalent fraction of the following by division. A, it is 10 by 28. So here we have to find out the equivalent fraction by using the division. So here 10 by 28, if we divide with the numerator and denominator with the 2, so here we will get an equivalent fraction. Here 2 5s are 10, 2 14s are 28. So 5 by 14 is equivalent fraction of 10 by 28. So write down here, hence here 5 by 14 is an equivalent fraction of 10 by 28. Next 35 by 40. So here divide it with numerator and denominator by a 2. Here 2 or divide it numerator and denominator with, these two are divisible by which number? Yes, it's a divisible by 5. So divide it with the 5. So 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. So here hence 7 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 35 by 40. So here 7 by 8, here 35 by 40. Next, build 4 equivalent fraction of the following fractions. Here we have to build the 4 equivalent fractions. Here they have given the 1 by 5. So here 1 by 5 Next is the, if we multiply with a 2, so here 1 by 5 into 2 into 2, so here 2 divided by 5 to the 10. Now again multiply with a 3, 3 divided by 15, multiply with a 4, 4 divided by 5 for the 20. Next, so equivalent of, put an equal symbol. Next, equivalent to 5, 5 5 are 25. Next is the 3 by 7. Is equal to 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. Is equal to 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. Is equivalent to 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 28. Is equivalent to 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. Here fourth bit is write an equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 with the following. Here the denominator is 25. So we have to make 4 by 5 this denominator as a 25. So here 4 by 5. So 5 5s are 25. So multiply with the numerator and denominator with a 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Next the B bit is, here the numerator is, we have to make the numerator as a 16. So take a 4 by 5, 4 4s are, so multiply numerator and denominator with a 4. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. Write an equivalent fraction of 72 by 144 with the following. Here A bit is, denominator is 72. So here 72 by 144. Now we have here A bit is, denominator 72. So we have to make a denominator as a 72. So here 72 2s are 144. So what we have to do, we have to divide the numerator and denominator with a 2. Here 2 36 are 72, again 2 72s are 144. So we have divided the numerator and denominator with a 2. So we got the denominator as a 72. Here 72 by 144 and 36 by 72 are the equivalent fraction. Here the B bit is numerator 24. So we have to make a numerator as a 24. So 72 by 44 divided by 'So here we have to divide the numerator and denominator with a 3. So 3 24s are 72. Next 3 here 3, how many is 144? 3 48s are 144. And 72 by 144 and 24 by 48 are the equivalent fraction. So the sixth bit is, check whether the pairs of a fraction given below are equivalent. A bit is 7 by 8, 12 by 16. So see here it's an equivalent fraction or not. Here 7 by 8 and 12 by 16. So they are not an equivalent fraction. B bit is 5 by 6 and 15 by 18. See here. Now cross multiply here 5 by 18 and the 6 by 15. Wait, I will do. Here 7 by 8, comma 12 by 16. Here 8 into 12 is, next multiply 7 into 16. So 8 into 12 is 96. Next 7 into 16 is 112. So they are not same. So the products are not the same. So B bit is 5 by 6, comma 15 by 18. Next 5 into 18 and 6 into 15. So 5 into 18 is how much? So it's a 90. Again 15 into 6 is, it's a 90. So both are 90 90. The products are same. So it is an equivalent fraction. Next here C bit is, so write here hence five by 6 and 15 by 18 are equivalent fraction. Next the C bit are 4 by 9, comma 12 by 20. So here 4 into 20, 9 into 12. So it's 80, 9 into 12 is 108. So the products are not same. So it is not an equivalent fraction. So write hence 4 by 9 and 12 by 20 are not an equivalent fraction. So next the D bit is 2 by 5 and 6 by 15. Multiply 2 into 15, 30. So 6 into 5 is 30. So the products are same. Right, the products are same. So hence 2 by 5 and 6 by 15 are equivalent fraction. here the seventh bit express the following improper fraction as whole numbers. A bit is 35 by 7. Here if we divide 35 by 7, so here 7 5s are 35. So the required whole number is 5. So 5 is an whole number. Whole number means without fraction. So the required whole number is 5. Next 16 by 4.
हेलो हेलो हाँ भाई मैं दोपहर में वो गाड़ी को मारे थे ना वो
Here we divide 16 by 4. Here 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So here 16 divided by 4 equals, so it's a 4. So whole number is a 4. So the required whole number is 4. Next, express the following improper fraction as a mixed number. Here 19 by 5. So here they have given the improper fraction. We have to convert that into a mixed number. So here 5 is a divisor, 19 is the dividend. So 5 3s are 15. So remainder is a 4. So hence 19 by 5 equals 3 is to 4 by 5. So here hence 19 by 5 equals 3 is to 4 by 5. So here 3 is this quotient and 4 is the remainder, 5 is the divisor. First you have to write the quotient, and whatever the remainder you will get, that is the numerator, and the divisor is the denominator. So this is the mixed number. So 30 by 7. So 7 is the divisor, 30 is the dividend. So 7 4s are 28. So 2 is the remainder. Hence, so 30 by 7 equals, so here 4 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder and 7 is the divisor. Express the following mixed number as improper fractions. Here a bit is 4 is to 2 by 3. So we have to convert that into improper fraction. So here the improper fractions are, here first multiply the whole number part. Whole number part means this 4 and the denominator of the mixed number. So multiply the whole number part and denominator of the mixed number. here 4 into 3, 12, and now add the numerator to the product of 10. Here the numerator is the 2 plus 12 equals, it's a 14. So hence 4 is to 2 by 3 equals 14 by 3. So hence 4 is to 2 by 3 equals 14 divided by, so the denominator is 3. So write denominator as it is. Now here the B bit is 5 is to 3 by 9. Here multiply the whole number part and denominator of the mixed number. Here 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. Now add the numerator to the product of 10. So 45 plus 3 equals, 45 plus 3 is, so 48. Here the exercise 7.4. Compare the following like fraction by putting greater than or less than sign in the box. Here 3 by 5 dash 1 by 5. So here 3 by 5, see the numerator, the denominators are the same. See the numerator here 3 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. Next 5 by 7 and 2 by 7. So the denominators are same. Here 5 by, in the numerator it's a 5, it's a 2. So 5 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Here which is small, 3 by 5 or 7 by 5. So here denominators are the same. In the numerator here 3 and 7. So 3 by 5 is a small. Here 6 by 13 or 6 by 9. So here the denominators are the different. So what here 6 by 13 or 6 by 9. Here the smallest number is which one here? Here the 6 by 9 is a smaller. Next, compare the following unlike fraction using greater than, less than by converting them into like fraction. So here you have a 2 by 3 dash 1 by 4. So here we have to compare the unlike fraction. Here are the denominators are not the same. So how to do this one? So first we have to convert that into like fraction. Here 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 means multiply into 4. Here we have a 3 and here we have a 4. Here multiply with a 3 and here multiply with a 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Next 1 by 4 into, multiply the numerator and denominator with a 3. So here 3 by 12. Now we have a 8 by 12 and 3 by 12. So here 8 by 12 is greater than 3 by 12. So 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Next 1 by 3 and 3 by 8. Now here 3 multiply with the numerator and denominator with the 8, and here 4 by 8 multiply numerator and denominator with the 3. So 1 into 8 and 3 into 8. Here 8 by 3 8s are, so 24. Next 4 by 8. Now here multiply with a 3, numerator and denominator with a 3. 4 3s are 12, 8 3s are 24. Now the numerator here 24 24, denominators are the same. In the numerator here we have a 8 and a 12. So which one is the greater here? 12 by 24 means 4 by 8 is greater. So 1 by 3 is less than 4 by 8. Now the fourth bit is, compare the following fractions using greater than less than by the cross multiplication method. Here we have to compare it with the cross multiplication method. So here a bit is 3 by 8 dash 4 by 7. Now cross multiply here 3 into 7 and 8 into 4. 7 3s are 21, 8 4s are 32. So here 21 is less than 32. So put a less than sign here. Now here 2 by 5 and 7 by 10. 2 into 10, 7 into 5. 27 here 35 into 7. 35 into 7 is how much? Sorry, here 7 or 2 into 10 and 7 into 5, no? 7 into 5. So 7 into 5 is 35. Now here 20 dash 35. So 20 is less than 35. So put a less than sign. Compare the following unit fractions. A bit is 1 by 7 dash 1 by 4. So here 1 by 7. In the denominator we have a 7 and here we have a 4. So 1 by 7 is greater than 1 by 4. Here 1 by 11 and 1 by 8. So here we have 11, here we have 8. So 1 by 11 is greater than 1 by 8. Here arrange the fractions in ascending order. Here a bit is 5 by 13, 1 by 13, 7 by 13 and 3 by 13. So here ascending means lesser number to the bigger number. So 1 by 13. Next 3 by 13. Next 5 by 13. Next 7 by 13. Next B bit is 5 by 9, 7 by 9, 1 by 9, 4 by 9. So first one is a 1 by 9. Next 4 by 9. Next 7 by 9. Sorry, 5 by 9. Next 7 by 9. Here arrange the following fractions in descending order. So 8 by 17, 12 by 17, 5 by 17, 3 by 17. Descending means greater number to the smaller number. So here all the denominators are the same. So if you compare with the numerator, so 12 by 17 is greater, next greater is 8 by 17. Again next greater is 5 by 17. Next 3 by 17. B bit is 4 by 11, 7 by 11, 8 by 11, 1 by 11. So here 8 by 11 is greater. Next 7 by 11. Next 4 by 11, next 1 by 11. Solve the following. So here, if Mrs. Sani gave 1 by 2 of a cake to Tanya and 1/3 of a cake to Guni, who got more? So here we have to find out who got more. Means what we have to do here? Yes, we have to compare here. So first what we have to do? First we have to take a 1/2 of a cake. So Mrs. Sani gave 1/2 of a cake and Tina 1/3 of a cake. So we have to cross multiply here. After cross multiplying, whatever the result we will get, so from that result we have to compare here. So write down here. So here Tina got 1/2 part of a cake. Next, Muni got 1/3 part of a cake. So we compare this part that is 1/2 and 1/3. Here Tina got 1/2 and Muni got 1/3. So compare, that is 1/2 and 1/3. So here 1/2 and 1/3. Now cross multiply. 1 into 3 equals 3. 1 into 2 equals 2. Now here 3 and 2. We know that 3 is greater than 2. So here 3 is greater than 2. So therefore 1/2 is greater than 1/3. So here, hence, so I am writing here, continuing here. So hence we now got more. Then only. Here the exercise 7.5, reduce the following fraction to the lowest terms. A bit is 8/10. So here first we have to reduce it in the lowest term. So first what we have to do? We have to find the HCF of 8 and 10. So first find the HCF of 8 and 10. So the factors of 8 are 8 and 10.
आणि F% निघाला डेंजर.
So here 8 ones are 8. So the remainder is 2. And 2 is the divisor and 8 is the dividend. So 2 fours are 8. Now 2 is the HCF. So the HCF is 2. Now dividing the numerator and denominator by the HCF, we get here divide the numerator and denominator. So here 8 equals 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Next 10 equals 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So hence 8 by 10 is the lowest term is hence 8 by 10 in its lowest form is 4 by 5. Next 3 by 9. Now find out the HCF of 3 and 9. Here 3 3s are 9. So the HCF is 3. Now divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. We get so here 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So hence one minute. So 3 by 9 in its lowest form is 1 by 3. So here 3 by 9 in its lowest form is 1 by 3. Next, reduce the following fraction to the lowest term and find the HCF and the LCM of a numerator and a denominator. Here 6 by 12. So here we have a 6 by 12. So here numerator divides the denominator with no remainder. So here the numerator is 6. So here we have to first find out the HCF. So HCF is 6 2s are 12. So HCF is 12. Now find out the LCM. Now here the LCM is, so this is the HCF and LCM of numerator and the denominator. So 6 and 12. So here 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Next 2 1s are, here LCM equals 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So the LCM is 12. Now fraction their lowest term. So then lowest term is 6 by 12. Here 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So here 1 by 2 is the lowest term. Next the B bit is 9 by 36. First we will find out the lowest term. So here equals 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So 1 by 4. Next find out the HCF. 936. So 9 4s are 36. So the HCF equals 9. Next the LCM. So here 3 3s are 9, 3 12s are. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 12. Next 3 2s are 6. Next 2 1s are 2. Now here the LCM equals 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 equals 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into it's a 54. Here the exercise 7.6, add the following and reduce the sum to the lowest term. A bit is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Here the denominator is same, so take the LCM as 4. So 3 plus 5 equals 3 plus 5 is, so it's 8 by 4. Now do it in a simplest lowest term. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here its lowest term is 2 by 1. So B bit is 5 by 3 and 10 by 3. So 3 is the LCM. So 5 plus 10 equals, it's a 15 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Yeah, 5 by 1 is the LCM. Now the second bit is find the sum of the following and reduce to the lowest term or a mixed number. So 5 by 12 plus 7 by 12. So here the denominator is 12. So the denominators are same. So 12 plus 5 plus 7. So in the denominator write the 12 and add 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 means 7 plus 5. So it's a 12 by 12. So here 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. So here the answer is 1. Next the B bit is 13 by 16 plus 7 by 16. So the LCM is 16. Next 13 plus 7. So here 13 plus 7 is, so 20 by 16. So here 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So here 5 by 4, or make it as a mixed number. Divide with the 4, 4 ones are 4. So the remainder is 1. Quotient is 1 and the remainder is 1 and the divisor is 4. Here subtract the following fractions and reduce to the lowest terms. Here if it is 8 by 14 minus 4 by 14. So here the LCM is 14. So 8 minus 4 equals 4 by 14. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Here it's a 2 by 7. Next the PBT is 11 by 16. So here the LCM is 16. 11 minus 5. So here 6 by 16 is the answer. So here 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 14, 2 8s are 16. So here 3 by 8. Check the symbols and evaluate the following. Here 11 by 16 minus 3 by 16. So here the LCM is the 16. 11 minus 3. Here 11 minus 3 is, so it's a 8 by 16. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So equals 1 by 2. Next, the B bit is 11 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So the LCM is 15. Here 11 plus 3. So it's a 14 by 15. Here Rohan ate 1/2 of a pizza and then ate another 1/2. How much pizza has he eaten altogether? Here fractions of pizza Rohan ate. Equals 1 by 2. Next, fractions of another pizza he ate. Equals 1 by 2. Next, total quantity of pizza eaten by him. Equals 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So here equals, the LCM is 2. So 1 plus 1 equals, it's a 2 by 2. So equals 1. 2 ones are 2 ones. Next, Rohan ate 1 pizza. Rohan ate 1 pizza. 7.7. First bit is add the following and reduce to the lowest term. Here 2 by 3 plus 6 by 5 by 6. So here the denominators are the different. So what we have to do here? So we have to make a denominator same. So multiply with numerator and denominator with a 6. So 6 2s are 12 divided by 6 3s are 18. Wait a second. So here we have a 6, here we have a 3, no? So denominator 3 2s are 6. So multiply numerator and the denominator with a 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So here we have a 3 by 4, 4 by 6 plus 5 by 6. So here the denominators are the same. So 4 plus 5 equals, so 9 by 6. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 3 by 2. Next the B bit is 5 by 8 and 1 by 2. So here we have a 8, here we have a 2. So take 1 by 2 and multiply numerator and denominator with a 4. Here 4 divided by 8. So here 5 by 8 plus 4 by 8 equals, it is 8. So 5 plus 4 equals 5 plus 4 is 9 by 8. Next is the subtract the following and reduce to the lowest term. Here the denominators are the different. Here 2 by 12 and 1 by 6. So take a 1 by 6 and make it as a denominator as a 12. So 6 2s are 12. So multiply numerator and denominator with a 2. So 2 by 12 minus 2 by 12. So equals, the denominators are the 12. Here 2 minus 2 equals, so 0 by 12. So equals, it's a 0. Next 13 by 11 minus 2 by 11. So here the denominators are the same. So here 11. So 13 minus 2 equals, so 11 by 11. So 11 ones are 11 ones are. So the answer is 1. Next the third bit is check the symbol and perform the operation in each of the following. Here 3 is to 1 by 2 plus 1 is to 3 by 4. So here multiply 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Plus here 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 is 7 by 4. Now here the denominators are the difference. So here take a 7 by 2 into multiply with numerator and denominator with a 2. So here 14 by 4. Now add 14 by 4 plus 7 by 4 equals, denominators are the 4 and 14 plus 7 equals, so 21 by 4. Now here divide it. 4 on the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. Now the remainder is 1. So here the quotient and the remainder is 1 and the divisor is 4. So I have made it in a mixed number. Now Now the B bit is 3 is to 1 by 3 minus 1 is to 1 by 2. So here 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 minus here 2 ones are 2 plus 1, so 3 by 2. So here the numerator and the denominators are the difference. Now here take a 10 by 3, multiply with the numerator and the denominator with the 2. Here 20 by 6. Next 3 by 2. Make a numerator and denominator multiply with the 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Here 20 plus 6 minus 9 by 6 equals, the denominators are the 6. So 20 minus 9 equals, so it's 11 by 6. So here 6 ones are 6. So the remainder is 5. So equals, the quotient is 1, remainder is 5 and the divisor is a 6. So 1 is to 5 by 6. Now the fourth is solve the following. A bit is Ashok walked 1 is to 1 by 2 kilometer to his school. Then he walked 3 by 4 kilometer to the library. How much did he walk altogether? So the solution is Ashok walked 1 is to 1 by 2 equals 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 to his 3 by 2 kilometer to his school. Again he walked also walk 3 by 4 kilometer to library. Now here we have to find out how much did he walk altogether. So here 3 by 2 kilometer plus 3 by 4 kilometer equals, now here the numerators and the denominators are the difference. So what we have to do, make a 3 by 2 as a 4, multiply with a 2. So here 6 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So here the denominators are the 4. So 6 plus 3 equals, it's a 9 by 4. Now here divide it 4 and 9. 4 2s are 8 and the remainder is 1. So here 2 is a quotient, 1 is a remainder and 4 is a divisor. So 2 is to 1 by 4 kilometer. Okay, the chapter 7 revision has been completed. Solve only whatever I am giving, practice those questions. Okay, I will stop the class now.